how to get more views on TikTok. Increasing the watch time of your TikTok video. One of the goals is to make the beginning of the video different and interesting. If you do that, okay, if you hook the viewer into watching the video, it's going to most likely get that traction. Number two is just use the popular hashtags in your niche. Hashtags, okay, are a way to rank in the algorithm. If you do this correctly, you can have a video that can be ranking for many, many years. Number three is going to be upload consistently, okay? When it comes to this, you have to put a system in place for yourself. With TikTok, making sure that you're uploading a video like every other day, every day. And don't think about it as your followers are going to get tired of you, because every single video that you post is being pushed out to someone differently, okay, a different audience. Number four is going to be keyword captions. Now with this, the video and the title, they go hand in hand. They're going to see the video and hear the audio faster than they even read the title.
If you enjoy this type of content, make sure you give me a follow, hit that little heart button, or give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.